Hello and welcome back to Sarasota Bay Fly Fishing Report with Jim Roberts. Things are turning up. I mean, we keep going, new moon, full moon, hitting some good tides, and I'm real happy with the bay. I fished one spot and we had a lot of floating grass, and that was when I saw the tarpon come in briefly on a high tide. So I know I like to look for the tarpon on the high tide. And on lower tides, I like to expect a redfish or a snook bite. And this morning I got surprised by, wow, nice little, quick little outgoing, and got 4 little snook in about a half hour. And it was fun. I knew as soon as I threw my first cast and I had a take that it was going to be a good morning. And I'll show you the fly. It's my EP bait fish, but this one's got the little green eyes, chartreuse green eyes, to match the body. And man, when you get a take on the first cast, you know you got a good fly for the rest of the morning, and it's still good for another day, so I'll keep that one. But so I left last week with when those tarpon came in on the baby shrimp. It was very difficult. I've heard other people where it's 100 casts or so before you actually get the take, you know, that you're looking for. And on those baby shrimp, I was having trouble with this pattern. And you know, redfish come along and see that and take it in a heartbeat. So do the snooks. So tarpon a little more reluctantly, but it takes a little time. So everybody's talking about the black fly for the tarpon, especially down in the harbor. So I got my rod rigged here tomorrow. And I'll tie a few more of these. This was the one that was recommended for Charlotte Harbor. It's basically all EP fibers. Untangle my leader here. In the original tire, who was sharp? I don't know, but I was doing it from a photograph, and it looked like the tail was actually tied in a shrimp pattern. See, it's splayed. Splayed, in other words, a split tail with just, you know, some EP palmered. That's actually Thunderstruck in black, which is very effective in white. So why not in black? They say for tarpon. And then right in between the tail, I tied a little rabbit strip. I didn't have the Arctic Fox to do. That's kind of what they wanted for a tail, but I don't think it's going to foul, and I think it's going to ride up on the surface, and it's going to move. So I'm going to try black tomorrow. Black is rigged for tomorrow. I have a brand new line. The conditions out there for fly fishing right now on the flat is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm on the Ringling Flat first thing in the morning. And tides tomorrow a little stronger outgoing, so the snook will probably be really hot. I've seen some really big pushes, and with these big pushes, I don't know, it's bait coming out of the water, so I don't know if it's a single fish, probably a tarpon or a snook or a shark, I believe. And I'll keep searching until I catch one of those big ones. And so, fly fishing report last week panned out. I said reds are coming. Caught 2 redfish, not big yet. I'm sure I'll get into the tailors. the bigger the schools, the easier they are, actually. I'm not having too much trouble with weed. I was fishing a bead chain, but doesn't matter. Tomorrow I'm going to try that one. So it's snook one day, redfish or tarpon the next. So wish you all luck. I'm out there tomorrow early and catch my videos. Please subscribe. Learn more how to fly fish in Sarasota. Thank you.